Hello, 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 everybody. Is my voice audible? Just let me know. Hi, guys. Is my voice audible? Just let me know. Hello, hello. Okay. Thank you, Sudhir. So let everyone joins in and we will start. So link. Hi, Shruti. Hi, Shivani. How are you? So week 9. Did I share a link? Guys, from which link you did like you joined? Can you share in the group? Hi, Deepti. I need the link. Okay, let me create the link. Okay, done. Thank you. So, guys, welcome to week 9 Google Ads. So, who all have started working with Google Ads, or you are still stuck with like Facebook ads or week 4? So, who are all stuck on week 4? Creating your WordPress website. What is the issue you are facing? Stuck with week 6. Shruti is in week 4. Facing problem on developing. Okay. Week 4, week 5, week 5. Stuck with week 7. Okay. So every week you have some uh, questions that you are stuck on. So week 5, week 4, week 6, and week 7. So all weeks you are stuck in. Sorry, week 8, question number 7. All right. So we will be starting soon. Let few more people join in. All right, guys. So we are starting. So hi, Minal. So you were saying about one Canva session, guys. Slots are getting like booked each day. So you will doing one more session on Facebook leads. I'm thinking of doing a lot of session, but right now all the Zoom accounts are filled. So maybe we need to have a fresh new account for such of unofficial meetups, but yeah, I'm figuring it out. So definitely we will have these sessions which I have promised. So uh, these session could be after the internship or from the next week also. So I'm discussing this with the DD also. So uh, I hope that we get a new Zoom account personally for batch 18, so we can have some extra session also. So that's not the topic of concern right now. So yeah, so most of the questions are like we used to clear in the Q&A only, but you people are, I guess, not practicing that particular assignment before the Q&A. So if you practice all these things before Q&A happens, so you might have some doubts that I can clear in the Q&A itself. So if you are not doing that till now, so you can start doing this from the next assignment also. So practice whenever a new week releases, just practice whatever it is there, and you will definitely get some doubts, and that we can clear all these out in the Q&A itself. So that is it about what we can do, and we are starting with week 9. Here we go. So week 9 is all about Google Ads, and there are some questions which are jumbled. So we will keep them in a sequence. So first is that create your Google account and enter your Google Ads account ID. Then conversion, this conversion tracking code, we will take it afterwards. And creating your first audience segment in Google Ads, we will take this afterward. And question number 4 is creating your first Google ad search ad campaign. So this we will take first and take a screenshot of your ads after creating Google ads, and enter your keywords. We will do this. Enter the search sum. Okay, we will do this. So we will do with, like, we will take question number first, then question number fourth, then question number fifth, question number sixth, and second and third. Like second and third could be after first and fourth. So this will be our sequence. Oh, is there any background noise in the Google Ads? So just a second, guys. Just a second. So is there any noise? So noise is gone. Is it clear now? Okay, okay. In Google Ads, what Sir has explained in that, Sir has explained all these things related to his website, which is fully designed. Yeah. And so how we will make our Google Ads, since our website is not yet fully presentable. So that is something you have to do first. Like, yes, you have to make a website. So website is also not necessary if you can work with landing page also. So if your full website is not ready, you can work with a landing page also, no issues in that. So in our website landing page, when someone enters a mail ID and name, the error option pops up. What to do in that case? Oh, someone enters name and email ID. We have to check. You just share the screenshot with me on email. I will take care of that. Please arrange one more session tomorrow. Or one more session for what? Facebook ads or WordPress website? Tell me. Facebook ads or WordPress website? I can arrange someone like who can be helpful for you guys, like who can make you understand better, like in 1 hour, if he can make a website from scratch or Facebook ads. So let's do one thing. So first what we will do is we will have a session on WordPress. So let me ask if someone is available tomorrow. But tomorrow, guys, you also have, I guess, DMC session at 9. So most of you are also in DMC. So okay, anyways, you will get the recording, but I will ask if someone can have the session tomorrow. WordPress it is. So we'll fixing the WordPress session tomorrow. So if someone is not available, I will be taking the session. So I will be preparing myself like if I can build a website from scratch in less than an hour. So we'll have the WordPress session tomorrow, and after that we will see one more session for Facebook ads also. Is it okay? Let's get started with this current week assignment, and we will talk afterwards. So to do this, what we have is, Shruti is asking, I don't know, it is connecting with domain name. Okay. We'll check. So for this particular sake of assignment, we have prepared this kind of checklist. I will be adding this checklist in the master source sheet also. So checklist is there in the master sheet it shows, and you can check that also. And it will be helpful, like you can start from basic, like what are the things that you can do with Google Ads when you are just starting up. So let's go to Google Ads dashboard and see what are the things you should take care of. So this is my working account, and I will be showing you with a fresh new account also. So let's suppose this account I can take. So when you are just starting with the Google Ads, so this is something will pop up for you. So you have to sign up with your email, and you will see something like this. So just click on to new Google Ads account. And you will see a window like this. So you have to see this option here. Are you a professional marketer? Switch to expert mode. So we don't have to choose any of these options here. We have to directly go to switch to expert mode. So these are the types of ad that you can create. Like these are the objective. After that, we will choose a goal. So first question is this, like create a Google Ad account and enter your Google Ads account ID. So ads account ID is here on the top right. So in my case, this is 699198852. So are you guys getting it? Like it's here, just above your email ID. So just let me know if you can see that. Is it clear? So it's here. So this is the email. This is the account ID. Okay. So next thing is we are going to create your first search ad campaigns on Google Ads and paste the screenshot. So search ad campaign. So what we can do is, so you can choose any of the campaign, and we have one more option in the Google Ads, that is create a campaign without goal. So we'll choose that, and we have these types of options, that these are the types of ad that you can run. So we have search ad. So search ad is something when people type specific something, like they are searching for something. And let me show you an example. Let's suppose I want to buy if I type car, or say buy car battery. So these are some ads that are running from Amazon, but if I want to, what I can search for, buy dress, by party dress online. Okay, so these are some search ads that we like search thing that we can like see. So when I type buy party dress online, so we have these ads running from Meesho, like buy fancy gown party wears at best price at Meesho. So Meesho is running ads, Nike is running ads. So two ads we are seeing right now. So these are the search ads that we are going to create right now in this assignment. And later we have display ads, we have video ads, we had application download apps, we have smart apps, we have discovery ads, and rest are there. So let's move on. So we will click on the search ad and select the result you want to get from this campaign. So what are the results that you want? Like either you want website traffic, phone calls, or app download. So let's suppose I want website traffic, and website name is learntoday.com, and campaign name could be search at test one. And we have this search network and display network. So in my case, when I have run the ads, so I usually turn these both option on, just because we have a lot of application and software and website that are connected with Google. So it is better, like Google have a broad reach. So whosoever is connected with Google, like either it can be an application, it can be a website. So Google has a broad view in that case. So if your targeted audience is coming to that application or website or blog, whatever it is, so Google will show them ads. So these are some, like these are not on the Google itself. Like you can take example from Play Store. Like if you download an application from Play Store and it has some ads in it, so whenever you like do some specific activity, they show you ads. So sometimes it became little stressful, but sometimes you might find that yes, I found a good ad on this particular application, and you end up buying that product or joining that services. So these are some types of search and display network that you can also choose them to like be active. In the location, either you can go entirely broad like India, or you can choose a specific location in your case. Just like Facebook ads, we have this. And language, we will keep it at English. And budget, we can go with 100 rupees also. Okay, so India commonly at least 500, so I will keep that 500. Okay, so bidding cost will be on the clicks. So you can set a maximum bid limit also. Like let's suppose, so right now if you have not choose any of the bidding, like you have not set up a cap on the bid limit, so it can be like your cost might go around like 10 rupees a click or 20 rupees or 50 rupees a click, but you don't want your clicks cost to go above 15 rupees or 20 rupees. So you can write that, like I don't want my cost to go beyond 15 rupees per click. So this is how you can set your bid limit. And so extension rest you can keep everything as it is. And after clicking next, so you are here. So we are on the ad group level, so you can again call it as ad group test one. And now you have to enter some keywords. So right now this is showing us some keywords that are pre-generated. So we can use them also, or you can enter product or services. So right now digital marketing course. Let's suppose I want to use this. So I update this keywords and see, these are some keywords that Google has offered me and that I can use. How Google Ads work based on keywords, that Shivam, that is what I am showing you right now. Is there an option to put keyword? Yes, there is. Yes, it will be there. Yes, Sudhir has said. So either you can choose all these keywords here, or you can like bring out your keywords. You can get from Google, or you can do some competition research, or you can use a tool, either Ahref or SEMrush, and from there you can fetch all these keywords and you can use them here also. So if you want to see a like quick demo of how Ahref works, so let me show you. So let's suppose you want to target some keywords from a specific competitor. So let's go to digitaldip.com. So I want to check what are the pages that DD is getting a lot of traffic on and what are the keywords that he is using. So you will get like A to Z endless, like a full report of your website. And this is what like for generating this kind of report, you can create service around also. Like most of the people are also looking out to this competition research. So in this case, if you have like a good hand on Ahref, then you can start your own service in this particular field also. So in this case, I will go with organic keywords here. So these are some, it will show us some keywords that are organically ranking on the DD's website. So these are some keywords that DD is getting traffic on. So the number one keyword is digital Deepak. So for like almost 4,000 people every month are coming to DD's website and uh, like searching for whatever it is. What service we can give for Ahref? So you can generate report. You can just create a website around like you are the best person if you want to generate competition research. Like you can give out services for competition research. Like if someone is starting up his business and he's like online business and he wants like what are the competitors in my field and how can I like go beyond them. So you can use Ahref as a tool and you can just now I have shown you like you can get out or each keyword, each pages, and what is the monthly traffic that they are getting. So after getting all this report, you can use the same keywords and you can write the same article of the top pages that they are using. So after doing whatever your competitor is doing, you can like instantly you can within a few months you can fetch like 50% of his traffic. uh, that this tool can help you. So if I go to this top pages, so these are the top pages that like Digital Deepak is getting a lot of traffic on. So digitaldeepak.com itself, the main page is getting traffic of almost 5,000 visitors a month. Then we have Digital Deepak course certificate and all these things. So yes, this is an important thing that you can work on. And we were on the keywords part. So when you are searching for keywords, then you find like these are the keywords that your competitors are working on. So there's an export option. So you can export all these keywords and you can use in your blogs or in your website and your Google search also. So this was a quick overview of Ahref, what Ahref can do. Like Ahref can entirely do a postmortem of your computer's website and give you all the like basic and advanced detail that you like nobody can give you. So we have two tools that gives you this kind of information. Like first is this Ahref and another is SEMrush. So in my case, these two are the best tool for this competition research part. So when you got the keywords from either tool or you search from Google Trends, so you can paste them here or you can just keep these suggestion also. Like if you are getting these suggestion, these are also not bad. They will also work fine. So you can read them and save and continue. So here comes the final part. So you have to add your final URL. So what is this? To ensure your customer information protected. Just a second. To ensure your customer information, use HTTPS whenever it, oh, okay. So it's saying I have to put HTTPS. All right, so that is gone. And so if you want to go to the specific path, then you can Like we have Google Ads is getting updated day by day. So earlier when I started so these suggestions were not there, but now Google is offering a lot of suggestions. So if you want to choose any of the headline, then learn digital marketing club, like these are some keywords that Google is offering me, like, and I can choose them. And you can write as many as like 15 headlines, and Google will show different headlines, just like you can see the preview of the ads here. So if you want to add more description, see description is already there, like training program, learn digital marketing from Digital Deepak, and learn today private digital. We are a bunch of people who love digital marketing. So yeah, this seems pretty good to me. So if I want to run a such ad for just for the awareness purpose of learn today, so these are some good ads like digital marketing club, digital marketing training, online marketing, and website name, and little description like learn today digital private limited, bunch of people who love digital marketing, and something like that was. So this is how you create your first search ad. And after that, you have to do some payment processes and submit. So is there any doubt, guys? You felt like I was too quick or you missed any part? Just let me know. Or it was fine and easy. Like seriously, if you master Google Ads, you have a like Google Ads are much better than Facebook ads in terms of lead generation, I would say. But in terms of brand awareness, you can go with Facebook ads that we discussed in. Okay, no, we discussed in that uh, oh, another group. So is it clear, guys? At least let me know. Okay, okay. I was waiting for response. I was like, I'm talking and nobody's listening. All right, thank you. So yes, yeah. So we did this part. So you can paste a screenshot of your ad that you have created. So after you did the payment part here, then you can paste the screenshot of your ad, and you can enter keywords. So keywords you can choose that automatically generated by Google Ads itself. So you can either choose that keywords, or you can have your own keyword and enter the search term that you. So if you want to check like which ad is your working, so you can it will take some time, like you have to bit I have to check like how to generate the permalink for the Google Ads. So either it's optional, like if you are searching for sub search term in Google, so if you find your ads there, then you can paste a screenshot of that also. So next is you want to create a video ad inside Google Ads. Search ad can be done with YouTube video also. Search ad, let me show you like what video ad, how you can create a video ad. And so go back, go back. Okay, it's asking me to fill the form. So now we will be creating a video ad. So again, we will go with the same process, like we are not choosing any goal right now. And in here, we will choose a video ad. And so there are some types of ads that you can choose. So custom video campaign, non-skippable outreach, type traffic, and ads. Because we will go with the custom video campaign here. And video custom ad first. So maximum cost per view, let it be. We are not touching that. So bid search strategy you can choose on your own. So it's better like once if you are starting with Google Ads. So first you try a ad and let's see like what is the cost or bid you are getting. Like is it like too expensive for you, or it is too cheap? So in both case you can optimize. Like if it's too expensive, then you can put a bid strategy on that, like put a cap on that. And if it's if you find that the bid strategy is like too cheap, then you can run multiple ads also. So budgets and dates, again let's go with 100 per day and the starting date. And so here it will ask like, oh, where is your video that you want to uh, run. So network, it's your video will run on YouTube and YouTube search results and your video partner on the display network. So in this year you will get some software and application that allows Google ads video to run on the background or while they are while uh, users are using that application or software. So location again India, and language we will keep that same. And after that keep everything same. So again we have that option, like if you want to like add manually, like if you want to target specific age, gender, or like parental status, like maybe your video is not for the kids or not for the parents, so you can add that also. So on the audience segment, and if you want to play some keywords, so random right now if you have not chosen anything, so Google will broadcast is for everyone. So let me add website name here, and let's see what are the ideas it's going to show us. So these are some keywords, like people who are searching for these keywords, we can show them this video. So let's suppose people who are confused about like what is DDIP, what is digital Deepak, and what are the like whatever related to digital marketing and digital Deepak. So we can target specific to that people and we can show them ads. Either we can show them like testimonial ads, like people after completing the this DDIP. So we have hustle today videos, so we can show them hustle today videos, like to make them aware, like people after doing digital marketing and learning from DDIP, they are getting some results, they are getting some jobs, they are getting freelance client, or they are just able to start their business, or if they have a running business for their own, they can like take it to a next level after work, like generating client leads and clients for themselves. So did someone join? Okay, so
Yes, I joined. Can you allow me to switch on my video? It's
yeah,
showing that.
definitely. So guys, we have a guest here. So we have a new, we have a mentor from batch 17. So Yogesh is here. So you guys can welcome Yogesh. So where you are? Okay, allow. Okay, I'm making you the host. I don't know how this thing works. So guys, you can welcome Yogesh. So Yogesh is handling batch 17 right
Hey
now.
guys, what's up? How are you all doing? Let me know in the chat box how is DDIP going on for you.
So Yogesh can also help you if you have some doubts regarding any of the previous week also. So for today's session, I called him like, yes, if I get stuck somewhere or my video goes or my internet connection goes, you can take care of that. Like it's happening from past few days also.
Hmm.
So
Great energy in the chat box.
yes, we have a great audience in the batch 18.
Awesome.
So yeah, so Yogesh, I will you can take care after. I will let you know.
Cool,
So
cool.
we are
You
connected.
just go on if if there's any issue, so I'll help.
Yes, yes. So we were creating a face like a video ads here. So after, so we are here. So after you have entered your website name, or you want to go specific more into something. Let's suppose again we want to go to digital marketing course. So result will get updated. So you can choose all these keywords here. So if someone is searching anything related to these keywords on Google or YouTube or anywhere, so where like Google allows you to play video, so these ads will be shown there. So placements, if you want, you can choose any. like where you want these videos to be run and where you don't want this video to like don't run. So you can choose that also. And again we have a bidding. So bidding is required here. We can go with, let's suppose, 0.5 rupees. So 0.5 rupees, we will choose the bidding here. You can go, like you can test with your also, like you can go with 0.25 or 1 rupee or 10 rupee, whatever it is.
I think we can also remove it. If can you just click on that top content bid adjustment? Is it allowing?
Okay, here it's
Just to give
percentage.
an example. Okay, cool. Which
So
campaign is this?
video campaign.
Video. Okay.
Yeah. So if you want, like now you have to enter your video. So we can choose any of our video from Hustle today. Just choose any. I guess we have videos for every, yeah. So just click on here and share, copy, and I will paste the video link here. So you have two options. So in feed video ads or skippable in stream ads. So skippable in stream ads are like bit cheaper than that in feed video apps. So video is longer than 3 minutes usually performs as well as shorter video. So this is just a warning, like you can choose to have video like just 3 minutes long. And now it's asking like what is the final URL that you want your audience to go with. So here you can choose your either a landing page or a yeah, where you want to, or a home page of your website. So again I will go with learn today. You can enter your landing page or your website name. So display name is here and done. So this is how you are going to create your video ad. So do we have, we don't have video, Abhishek. We don't have a video. Manish, what you are saying, like we don't have video. If you don't have video, you have to create a video. If you want to run a video ad, either go with that display campaign, or you can go with smart display if you don't have video. But in video campaign, we need to have video. You can use week for video content. Yeah, we can use any video content. Like
Or you can create a video on Canva. I mean,
yeah.
if you don't have any of your own video, just quickly go to Canva and create a short video. You can use
Don't say about Canva. Canva session is pending like from week
that.
second. I have promised to give up Canva session, and these guys are, these everyone is like, where's the Canva session? So how do we overview of the Google ads that we just created? So I will show you like where you have to check all these things. So after this, you have to create this, and keeping everything same. Just, where is the save option? Oops. Is anything missed? Okay, enter the end date. So for this, if I want to, let's suppose 30th March, create campaign. And after that, same process for the payment info, and you are done with that ad. So if you want to see like how your actual dashboard looks like, just because I don't have like this is a fresh new account, I have not added any payment information here. I will show you that running ad account, which has everything in it. So once your ads are up and running, so this is how your dashboard will look like. So all these campaigns will be here. Like these are the campaigns, and you will see all the data here. Like what is the conversion ratio, what is the cost, and what is the average cost, clicks, all these things. So this is how your dashboard will look like. Is it clear, guys? We have created video ad also. So after creating that video ad, paste the screenshot of the video ad you made. So this is what you have to do. All right.
Abhishek, maybe you can show them that what exact screenshot, what is the exact place they have to take
Okay,
the screenshot of.
so I have to check. I guess we are not running actually video ads. So after going to like you can choose to go to your ads, and let's suppose these are our ad group. Where is all ads? So these are our ads. So you can take the screenshot of this also, or this is my landing page. Yeah, you
Or
can.
what they can do now that if you just click on this left side, में there is a button, na, arrow button,
This.
complete left में, there is
Yes.
arrow. Now choose the campaign, whichever they want.
Okay, this one or
Let's say
this.
any campaign they choose, below only.
Okay,
Now go to overview.
this overview.
Yes, so this is the like
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah,
screenshot they can take.
you can take the screenshot of this also. Like we were okay, deep talks with Ankur Wariku. So we were running this ads in 2020. Okay, so this is how, is it clear, guys? So you can paste the screenshot from here also. Now we are going to create a smart display campaign inside Google Ads and paste a screenshot of display ad that you have created. So for that, I will again go to my new account. And okay, we are done with you. Oops. Let me go back. Create a new ad. Google Ads. Dude, what's happening? Do I have to fill the payment details?
At the end, there's an option to submit. See if it accepts without adding anything.
No.
No. Organization name.
So they will ask for the
Hmm.
payment only. So anyways, we will choose the running account. We will get ad there. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create a new campaign. And what we are going to do is we have to create smart display campaign. So without any goal, go to the smart display option, and what action do you want the customer to take? So I want actions on your website. So I want action on my website. So your business name, learn today. This helps us to show your ad when people are searching. Okay. Your website. Let me open it. So they are searching. Okay. Next. So smart display campaign is like really smart. So they will auto generate each and everything for you. So if you don't like anything, then you can just change it in the wherever you see like you want some changes. So show a call button on your ad. So I don't want any calls. So you can change any of the headlines if you want, like depending upon your services or product that you're offering. And here you can add some keywords. So right now it's just because a smart display campaign, it will show you like everything, like everything is there already. So either you can use this keyword that you want to use in your ads, so people can visit see your ads. Like in this case, like app development is not our thing, and animation is not our thing. So I will remove this keyword, and if I want to add a keyword, then I can add a keyword. Let's suppose what we can add, Google Ads. So this is how you can add more keywords to your ads. And there are also suggested keyword themes that you can use. And if we go to next, so it will show like, oh, what is the exact location that you want to show your ads. So right now we have already targeted few of the locations. So okay, Uttarali, I thought Uttarakhand. So you can either add a state or city or zip code. Let me see if mine is working here. Yeah, so mine is also working here. So you can add the location here, and you can just click on next. So what is the budget you want to spend on this smart campaign? So we have a recommended budget, and we have an average budget, and we have a like extreme wala case. So always go with the recommended, so you can get some better or better like result in this case. So or you can enter your own budget also. So 34 was the minimum, so you can choose above 34. And duration is like you can run for 21 days, and just click on next. Now what you can do is you can add your campaign name and your headlines, or like you have to check everything like if it's in the place. So campaign name you can change it here also if you want to, and rest keeping and seeing everything like if it's in place, you just have to run the ad. So measure what people are doing on your website. So if you want to create, okay, so conversion tracking is something that we have to do in the next part, so we will do that. So this is how you will work with this smart campaign. So Yogesh, did I miss something?
Oh no, everything's perfect.
Okay, this is in the pending. Okay, okay, all right. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to create a Google custom tracking code that you have to deploy on your website or your landing page or your like if you are using third-party tool, that is ConvertKit or MailChimp. So how you are going to do that? So let's go to campaigns again, and we have this tools and setting option here, and we have this conversions open option. So we already have a lot of conversions going on here. So we will click on new, and so these are the two types of conversion that we can do. So three types. So I will go with the website ones, and I will enter the name of my website. Ask them to scan. So it's working, and save and continue. Okay, so it's asking me to enter the conversion goal. So what I have to track? So I can track page views, and URL could be learn today. So in this case, you can add your thank you page URL also, but I'm just showing you just for the sake of this purpose. And if you want to add a conversion action manually, then we have to go to this option. So in this case, what we have to do is we have to select page views, then conversion is page views, and there is no value that we are giving it to. So if you have like if you want to give a value to that, like if this much, if one view value is like 1 rupee or 2 rupee or 10 rupee, you can also add that value to that also. So it's showing us that example also. So count not every view we want some specific, we will count one view because the first interaction of that particular user we are going to track. And click to conversion 30 days, 3 days, let's keeping everything same, we will proceed. So now here comes the part. So just like we did in the Facebook week, we add this code in our website. So in same thing we are going to do here. So we will create, so we have this code that we are going to paste in our website. So global site is already installed. All right. So you have to choose this first option first, that the global site tag isn't installed in all of your HTML pages. So I will copy this and we'll go to niche today, the same website we used last time for the demo purposes. And we will paste the code there. So guys, did HFCM, yes, adding images and logo. So did HFCM last time that you use was giving you any of you error? Let me know if HFCM was giving you error. So you can use both the option, like instead of if HFCM was giving you error, then you can use the direct method that last time I showed you. I have not faced any. Okay, okay, perfect then. So what you can do is you can add the snippet name here as what tag manager, global site tag. Keeping everything same, like snippet is HTML and in header, and we will just paste the code here and done. So this is the first thing that we have to do. And the next thing that we have to do is we have to track the events that we want. So I want that page load. So I will just copy this. So you have to, in this case, you have to choose your page that you want to track. So I will just copy this and again go to this HFCM, and I will add a new snippet. And in this case, so I will global site tag and I will choose that as home. So in your case, it could be your thank you page or your landing page link. And I will paste the code here and HTML site wide. So I want to target specific pages, and pages list is Elementor home. So this is the page that right now is active on niche today. So I want to track all the activities that is happening on this page right now. And just after mentioning that you have choose your specific page, just click on save and it's done. So this is the thing that you have to do. So in assignment worksheet, what we have to show, create a first Google conversion tracking code and deploy that on web and enter the URL of the web page that you have deployed the Google tracking code. So if I want to check whether the page is up and running or not, I'll go to Google Ad Tag Manager and we'll see. It might take some time. Done. Enable. Google. Okay, so we got our global site tag active here. So this, you have to take the screenshot of this and you have to paste in your assignment sheet. So this is it, and the rest is the final question that is left is you have to create a first audience segment on Google Ads. Once you have you have created the audience, post and screenshot the audience that you have created in the Google Ads. So now you have to create, just like mine is not firing, so it will fire definitely if you are doing all the process right. Even if you have some doubts, you can just share the screenshot with me on email. I will take care of that then. So now we are going to create our first audience segment. So for that, what we have to do is, so I hope I have not this that. Okay, so we will go directly. So we have this tools and settings option here, and in this we have uh, where is our audience manager option in the shared libraries, under shared library. So we will go to audience manager, and here we will create our first custom audience. Please load. All right, so you will see like in your case, if you are just starting, so you will not see any of these, like these are some uh, uh, audience that we have created. So in this case, you have to just go to this second option, that is custom segment, and now you have to create any custom audience. So you can segment name could be anything. So in my case, like if you want to sell some you want to create a product, this custom audience for a product, so you can name this with the product name, or you want to, or if you are working with any services, then you can name it with that service name. So in my case, I will just go with digital marketing services. And people with any of this interest or purchase. So in this case, we will go with the interest based targeting also. So like you have to write the interest, and you can show your ads, it will become in your audience list, and you can share like whenever you want to run any ads, so you can choose the list of your audience and you can just run your ads to particular specific to this audience. And when you are like sometimes you want to remove any of the audience from your list, then you can also remove from the list also. So in my case, when I wrote segment name as a digital marketing service, so this is again Google showing me some example like what I can choose here. So instead, I don't want any of these. What I can do is I will search for Google Ads. So see, we have some options for the Google Ads, display ads. So we can choose all of these interests. So people who are there, like coming landing into this category, then you can show ads to them also. So display ad campaign, so you can choose as many as you want. And after that, like you will get an estimation also, like this thing can also work for you, like whenever you are like you want a client for Google Ads and they ask for estimation, like how many like what is the estimation that you can give if we have a budget of this for like daily budget of this, or monthly budget of this, or we are targeting a specific audience. So this is the report that you can show them, like this is an estimate report that you can add in your proposal also. Like if we choose this set of keywords in our targeting, then the impression might be 10 billions to 1 trillion, and the gender we are going to target is 54% will be females. And do we have that? Okay, 54% is female, then I guess 46 is male, and age is 20% is 20% of our audience is like will land in 25 to 30 years, 34 years of category. And parental status, 70% of our audience is not parental. And topics are, these are some topics that they are interest in. So after this, you just have to, after creating this custom audience, you just have to save it. And we have created this digital marketing service audience, and you can take screenshot of this and you can paste that in your assignment. So this is what your week 9 assignment is. I guess this is more simpler than the Facebook ad week that we did. And So there is less chance of you, like there is almost like no chance of your account getting banned. So in this case you are little free to experiment more. So session for week 9 is over. So if you have any doubt, just let me know. Or what do you think, guys? Like, is it easy or not? Like if Google is easy or Facebook is easy? So I have a question. Okay, I'm coming to the Slido. Slido. Yeah, Google is easier than Facebook, and Google has less this. Google gives us less stress than Facebook. So week 9, Google Ads. So how to differentiate between goals and actions? Goals and actions. Goal and action. Yogesh, you want to add up something here?
I mean, I'm not sure what this exactly is. Is it like in Google Ads when we are making conversions, or what is it?
Okay, so all the questions are from Sudhir itself. So I have done the conversion and there is no error. However, it is not recording any conversion as per the Google Assistant and it's showing fired. So Sudhir, is your amount is getting spent here? Is there any spent? Okay, so that we have to check. How to add negative keywords for account level? So for adding negative keywords, so you have that option. Go to this keyword option and you have this negative keyword option on the top, extreme left. Google Ad is not loading properly today. For me, Facebook is easy. Yeah, same. I'm the Facebook
Until your account is banned.
guy. Exactly. So we go to this left hand side keywords option. We have negative options, negative keywords, and here you can create like you can choose your campaign, like select campaign that is running, and you can add negative keywords there. So for particular that campaign, if you choose any of the negative keywords for that campaign, then people who are searching for that particular keywords, then they will not see your ad. How is the audience different from custom segment? How is audience different from custom segment? When I try to add audience to campaign, it is now showing custom audience. Segment only combine audience option. When I try to add audience to campaign, it's now showing custom audience.
Not showing, I think it is.
It's not showing custom audience, segment only. I'm not getting this question.
So maybe what he's asking is, if you just go to your audience in Google Ads,
Mhm.
the audience manager, audience manager.
Audience manager. Wait. Yeah.
So in this, like there is custom segment and then your data segment, then combined segments. So maybe he's asking that what's the difference between all of these. So basically, custom segment is you can kind of say that in Facebook, your saved audience that interest based and all those things, and in your data segments, you can create a remarketing audience, that people who have visited your website or specific pages. And combined segment is if you want to create an audience by combining these two audiences. That let's say that you have an audience of all your website visitors, and then you have an audience of people who are interested in digital marketing services. So in combine, you can combine these both segments and create a new audience, which is like a superset of that. And yes, in certain type of campaigns, I think in search campaigns, you can't see your custom audience. So, I mean, it's fine. There is no issue with your ad account if it's not visible. So, I mean, certain set of audiences are not visible in certain campaigns. So it's all right.
Yeah. So in your data segment, so these are all the visitors that we are getting. So in the landing pages, all the similar visitor to digital Deepak. So we have this audience, like whenever we are running an ad, so what are the people who are visiting our landing pages or we are getting on our ads. So this is this type of audience we get in our this data segment. And custom segment is like we create a audience for ourselves. Like we want to like build an audience, just like I build this digital marketing services. So this is the audience, so I can use this audience as I want to show ads to this specific audience only, or I want to remove this particular set of audience from my campaign. So this is how we can use custom segment. So I guess we have answered your question, Sudhir. So is there any else questions we have? How to add keyword planner keywords directly to the campaign? So let's go to keyword planner. Where is the keyword planner? Keyword planner. So what you have to do is get search volume and forecast and discover some new keywords. If you go to this, so you have to try enter product or services related to your business. Let's suppose I want to go to digital marketing and my domain name is learn today. Let's see what are the results that we are getting. So these are some results that we are getting. And if I want to add, so we have this option for download all these keywords ideas. So if I want, I can just download in the CSV or Google Sheet. So everything is simple in the Google's ads thing. So okay, not linking directly for.
No, I don't
Okay,
think like
okay, okay,
directly it can
okay, okay.
happen. Like you
Got
can
it, got
directly
it.
export
No.
from keyword planner to a campaign.
You cannot export to that campaign, but yes, when you are using that, like building that campaign, there is an option already there. Like when you are choosing building that campaign, when you type the service name or your website name, it automatically gets changed. So in there you can either change your service name and you can see like what are the suggested keywords that you are getting, or you can choose, like you can download keywords from here and then you can just copy paste there also, just like I showed you. Like you can add manually also. Yeah. So rest everybody, is it clear? Like I don't want an extra session for Google also, like we did for WordPress one, and we are again going to do a WordPress one again, and we are again going to do a session for Facebook again. So I don't want another session to be happen for this Google ads. Like it's crystal clear for everyone, and if you are stuck anywhere, just watch this recording, because we have not faced any error like while completing this assignment. And
One thing that I feel, I'm not sure if you have mentioned it, that in Google Ads, the minimum amount that you can add is, I think, 500 rupees.
yeah, that we have
So,
seen.
so you have to add it and use it.
Yeah, so that you can do, guys. And what do you think about Yogesh new cap? Just let him know about it. And
How's my cab, guys? Do you know which brand it is? Do you watch Shark Tank?
oh, this is from Shark Tank.
Yes. Guess the company. See, you can see the logo here.
I don't know. I didn't watch.
Urban Monkey.
Nice. So, guys, how long do we need to invest on Google Ads? How long? No, just for the sake of assignment, you can do this. Just add your payment details. Sometimes when you use Paytm wallet as your that payment option, sometimes it doesn't even like cost you anything, so that you have to check also. So for the sake of assignment, if you can invest, like if you can add 500 rupees, but 500 rupees will get added to your account and you don't have to spend all the 500 rupees at once. So you can choose your minimum budget of like that we see, 34 was for video ad, I guess. So for that you can use that, and like just use that same budget for each and every ad, and don't run that, like just publish it and make it active and take the screenshot and pause the campaign again. So this is thing you can do if you don't want to run any ad. Any more questions do we have to take, or is everything crystal clear again? Come on guys, I want to hear you. I want to see some typing happening in the chat box. Is it
We
clear?
are hungry. We are
Yeah.
hungry for questions. Give us some food.
At least say good night to us. Oh, all right, all right. All right, guys. So thank you so much for this session. One suggestion as you doing demo here. Harinishri, what you are saying?
Maybe he'll type the remaining sentence.
Yeah.
I mean, what suggestion?
When will the Facebook session happen? Facebook session. So tomorrow I am arranging that WordPress session, and Wednesday or Thursday might be. So I will take this session as fast I can. So I will, yeah. Yeah,
Canva also.
Canva is also pending. Like Canva is like super.
Just take a mega,
Yes.
mega webinar of 3-4 hours.
Actually, Canva is like super interesting session that I want to take. So I want to take with like, yes, I don't have a time limit for that. So I want to take it that in that case, but I'm not getting that. Canva is in demand, I guess. Yeah, Canva is in lot of demand. I need to do from scratch, not already existing. Rinishri, one more suggestion, as learn today's existing. Yeah, in that case, if learn today was existing and we were seeing some keywords for that, so you don't have to like see all these keywords that is there for your website. You can add them manually also, like just go to any of your computer websites, see some keywords, and you can drop that here also. And anyways, you will definitely get some suggestions also when you type in the interest of the like whatever service name or your interest name in there. We didn't get the WordPress beautifying session recording. It's already there in that Discord group. Just check the Discord, or someone from the group, please share the recording in the group. Just ask in the group and I will share the recording in there directly if you are not in the Discord. So unofficial sessions link will not be shared on the email. It will be shared in the community only. All right, guys, then we are leaving. I guess we don't have any other questions related to this week. So good night. I want
good
one
night, guys.
I want one good night and I will leave. Okay. Good night. Good night. Good night.